Morning boys, I hope you're staying warm and healthy. Remember that you obviously need to start eating properly, or always eat properly. Start training, keep your fitness levels up. This week obviously a short week, with Tuesday being a public holiday, the school giving us Monday off. So we're going to do less exercise this week. Try and do it more often if you can. Let's get straight into the chest exercise for this week. It's going to be your diamond push-ups. Again, index finger and thumbs touching, elbows pointing out. Straighten that back and go down till you almost touch the ground and up. Try and go for 15 reps. Okay, you'll feel it working majority of your chest, outside and inside, and your triceps. Your back exercise for the week is quite a simple one. It's called pulses. All you need to do is lie flat with your arms out and try and just feel like you've got a pulse running through your body, and lift. And lift. Again, both exercises, try and do 15 reps. If you can do one set of 15, maybe try and push for a second set of 15. It's a gentle exercise. The more reps you do, the more it's going to work. Stay warm, keep smiling. We'll see you soon.
Is a tuck jump. So this one, we want to get our knees up to our chest and then land nice and softly. So work. And again, knees up and land. I hope you boys enjoy this session. Let me know if you have any questions.
As boys, I hope you're all keeping well and keeping busy. Obviously, since this week is a short week with no school on Monday or Tuesday, we'll only have one workout session, and I'll be explaining to you the two exercises for this week's session. And that is the pulse squat and pulse lunge. Pulse squats will be 3 sets of 20 reps. Pulse lunge will be 2 sets of 10 reps. With our pulse squat, as always, feet shoulder width apart. Can go a bit further if you'd like, if you're comfortable with that, but not too close. Thumbs underneath your chin just to keep your head up and your back nice and straight. This makes for a very good posture and helps with avoiding injuries. So we get there, and a pulse squat means we do a half squat, back up, straight back down into a full squat and up. That'll count as 1 rep. So we're going to be doing 20 of those, which means 20 half squats, 20 full squats. So to do a bit faster, will look like this. Half up, all the way down, up. Half up, full, down, up. Half up, full, up. Just like that. Always keeping your posture, looking up the whole time, neck back like that. Very good for your posture to help avoid injuries. If you do go deeper, like this, if instead of the half squat where I want you to go there, you might go there. That is okay. If you do all 3 like that, it's okay. However, it will be a lot hard to do. If you do all 20 like this, there will be a lot harder. However, if you do make a mistake every now and then by going a bit too low, it's not the end of the world. It's not going to do anything bad, have a negative effect, but it will be a lot hard to do. So just keep that in mind. Moving on to the pulse lunge. Exactly the same, we're going to do half lunge and then go into a full lunge. So find decent distance. Remember with lunges, most importantly, your knee cannot go over your toe into the lunge. That's very bad for knees, can cause injuries. Also, we don't want to be too far like that. So find a decent distance that's comfortable to you, always going to be comfortable to you. We go into half lunge, up into a full lunge, up. That counts as 1 rep. Same this side. Half lunge up, full lunge up. There you can see my knee just tapped the ground. Obviously we don't want you to touch the ground, you need to touch the ground. But because we're going to be almost rushing through this when you do it, you almost feel like you're doing that the whole time. Your knee might tap the ground, which is okay. It's okay if it taps the ground. We understand that not every rep is going to be perfect, but just try to keep off the ground. And also if it does touch the ground, we don't want it to look like this, where it's a pause and then up. We don't want that. If it touches the ground, at least just a tap and up. Alright boys, that's all for this week's leg exercises. Please let us know in the comments if you have any questions, struggling to do anything, would like to add a bit more to get better at any of the exercises. Let us know and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Cheers boys.
How's it boys? Hope that you guys are well. So I'm going to be taking you through the first session right now for this week. It's going to be 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Okay, we've done this exercise before. It's called a side plank. Okay, so you're gonna make sure that you're on a nice flat piece of ground. Okay, maybe have a towel down if you have a towel. But all I want from you boys, okay, is you're gonna go down on your side. You're gonna start on our left side or right side, it's up to you. Okay, feet on top of each other like that. Okay, nice and straight body. Okay, you're gonna hold this position for 30 seconds. Okay, you're gonna go down. Okay, you're not gonna switch sides. You're gonna stay on the side. Okay, and back up again for 30 seconds. Down. Okay, and then up again for 30 seconds until you're done with that exercise. Okay, the second exercise is just the reverse of that. So you're gonna go down onto your right side. Okay, up, feet on top of each other, exact same thing, just on the opposite side of your body. Okay, 30 seconds down, 30 seconds down, 30 seconds and down. Okay, that's going to be the first set of exercises for this week, boys. In the second video, I'll take you through what you have to do for the second session. Thank you, boys. Okay, how's it, boys? This is going to be your second set of exercises for this week. Okay, again, we've done these exercises before, so it shouldn't be difficult for you boys to remember what they are. For both exercises, okay, it's 3 sets of 20 repetitions. Okay, first one is the wrist to knee sit-up, so we've done so many times before. Okay, so again, your feet are going to be nice and flat on the ground. Okay, you're going to lie back. Okay, you're going to hold your hands on your thighs like this. Okay, and all you're going to do is slide your wrists past your knees like that. Okay, and you're going to do that for 20 repetitions. Up, down, up, down.
Hi there, boys. It's been good seeing a lot of you back at school. Hopefully I'll see the rest of you soon. For today's exercise, we're going to have 2 new agility ones. For the first one, you're going to need 4 cones making a square. You're going to start in the middle, and as you jump, you're going to go to the same color, twisting the hips. So you're going to jump there, go back to the beginning, back, and there. That is 1 rep. You're going to do 4 sets of 10 reps. For the next exercise, you're going to need to extend the cones there. Start on the one at the back. You're going to accelerate to that cone. Nice, quick, short strides, and then you're going to go back. That will be 1 rep. So you're going to go like that. You're going to do 4 sets of 10, just like the first one. Hope you have fun with these exercises.